Hello, crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel. Well, can you believe it? We are already in the final quarter of the year, and that means it's time for another surprise from your Paper Insider. Well, today I'll be unboxing box number 13, and it's packed with fun, colorful, and sparkly papers. Just like the previous edition, this box features a gorgeous selection of handmade papers, each with its unique texture and finish, perfect for your fall and winter theme projects. I'll be walking you through every sheet, giving you a closer look, and sharing my thoughts on each one. So grab your favorite drink, get cozy, and let's dive right in. I like to store all of my papers right in the same box. It just makes it so much more easier to keep track of what papers I used for my project. Plus, each of these boxes come with these handy cheat sheet that lists the names of all the papers that are included inside the box. Now, the first surprise in the box is this absolutely gorgeous Aurora origami paper pack. Well, I have to say, I personally have never used or played with origami paper before, so this one has really caught my attention. Now, this pack includes 8 sheets in a stunning Aurora shimmer finish. They almost look like the Northern Lights. You will get 2 sheets, each in pink, blue, yellow, and beautiful pinkish orange shade. And if you take a look at the packaging, it even has some easy instructions for making your own origami pieces. Well, I definitely want to try my hand at origami. It looks so much fun, but I'm not sure if I'll be using all 8 sheets for that. But instead, I can totally see myself using these sheets to create some absolutely beautiful focal point images for my cards. They'd look stunning even as background panels. I love that soft diagonal pattern on these papers, and just look at how gorgeous that aurora effect is. It shimmers so beautifully when the light catches it. Now, let's take a look at the other papers included in the box. The first one here is called light blue Mizutama rayon paper. It's such a delicate sheet, almost like a single layer of tissue. It feels so soft and airy, and I can already imagine how lovely it would look layered over a solid cardstock. Take a look at that gorgeous feather like texture. Next up, we have the silver holographic micro mosaic sheet, and oh my, this one is absolutely stunning. I just love the intricate mosaic pattern. The fine detailing really makes it catch the light beautifully, and it shines even more than most of the holographic papers I have in my stash. Next, we have a couple of beautiful blues, starting with the Amazon Blue Lisibo cardstock. This is a solid color, 235 GSM heavyweight cardstock. It's nice and sturdy, thick enough to be used as a card base, which I really appreciate. Then we have the light blue non-shed glitter cardstock, and I absolutely love these glitter papers by Your Paper Insider. They're not only great for adding sparkle to your focal points, but I love using them to create die cut sentiment. They add just the right amount of shimmer without any mess. Next up is this 100-pound blueberry pop tone French cardstock, a rich, vibrant shade that's perfect for adding pop of color to any project. Following that is this absolutely stunning light blue living wave Gaumont white paper. Now, this one's made in Germany, and it has the most beautiful, deep, embossed wave like pattern. It almost feels sculptural. The surface plays so beautifully with light and shadow, creating that striking effect. I can totally see myself using it for ocean or beach theme cards. Moving on, we have the Eucalyptus Curious Metallics cardstock. This is an 80-pound cardstock with that lovely metallic sheen that catches the light so beautifully. It's elegant but still versatile enough for so many different projects. And just look at this next one. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is the Yuzenshi paper in black with color floral. Box number 12 also had similar style of the Yuzenshi papers, and I have to say I just love how bold and striking these are. They make the most stunning card backgrounds rich, textured, and full of personality. Moving on to some beautiful greens, we'll start with this absolutely gorgeous holiday green Lisibo Colors cardstock. This one's a deep, rich green, heavyweight cardstock, perfect for creating your holiday greens. You can pair it with a lighter key lime color mates cardstock, and together these two shades can make beautiful, gorgeous combinations for your Christmas foliage, especially if you're crafting Christmas trees or wreaths for your card fronts. Next, we have this Kelly Green Cadillac cardstock, which is such a gorgeous glossy green paper. It has that sleek finish that instantly adds a polished touch to any project. Well, you all know how much I love using vellum on my cards, especially when it's something as stunning as this green leaf vellum paper. It will pair beautifully with all the other greens we just looked at and would be perfect for creating lush layered foliage. Moving on to some of the warmer tones, first up we have the Poison Ivory Curious Metallics paper. It's a very subtle hint of shine that might not even be fully showing up here on camera, but in person, it looks absolutely stunning. Following that, we have the Canary Yellow Shimmer cardstock, and wow, this one is absolutely bright. Now, it's such a cheerful, sunny yellow, definitely not something that I already have in my stash, even for a solid color cardstock. It's bold, vibrant, and perfect for adding pop of color to your project. Speaking of pops of color, this pumpkin color mates cardstock really stands out with its bright, vibrant orange. I can already imagine myself creating pumpkins for my Halloween themed cards using this card. Next, we have the Marigold Thai Unuru paper, followed by an ultra wide smooth cardstock. Now, I've been using the papers from Your Paper Insider for almost 2 years now, and I absolutely love the Thai Unuru sheets. They have this delicate fiber like texture that's just beautiful. You can use them as is to create a soft, delicate floral accents or layer them over solid color cardstocks to make that bold, beautiful statement piece. The ultra wide smooth cardstock is definitely one of my favorites, especially when it comes to ink blending. Next up, we have the bright gold gloss glitter. Now, unlike the non-shed glitter cardstock by Your Paper Insider, this one is a glossy glitter paper with an absolutely beautiful reflective surface. I think it would be perfect for creating little die cut sentiments that really pop and catch the light beautifully. Moving on to some beautiful pinks and reds. First, we have this adorable baby pink cardstock. It's a solid color, heavyweight cardstock, perfect for a variety of projects. Next, we have the Red Wagon Miri Sparkle paper. I feel this is more like a delicate version of the No Shed glitter paper. It adds just the right amount of shimmer without being overpowering, making it perfect for elegant accents or even die cut elements. Next up is the Spellbinders Sicily Color Wheel cardstock, a beautiful coral, solid colored cardstock that's perfect for adding warm, vibrant touch to your projects. And once again, we have a fun vellum, this time the white fine lines vellum sheet. It has those absolutely delicate fine line details that make it perfect for layering over other papers or adding subtle textures to your card designs. Moving on from the baby pink and coral cardstocks, next we have the bright holiday red Lisibo cardstock, which is this rich, vibrant red that's absolutely perfect for your holiday themed cards. And now, this next cardstock is my absolute favorite from this entire set. This is the red brushed metal cardstock. It's a thick, durable paper with that luxurious metallic finish on both sides. The brushed texture mimics the sleek look of actual metal, catching the light beautifully with that rich dimensional shimmer you see. Now, I did try using it with die cutting, and I have to say this paper is really thick, so you might want to run it through your die cutting machine a couple of times to get a clean cut. But honestly, the results are so worth it. You can pair it with that gold cardstock to create beautiful holiday designs. Next, we have the white holographic confetti cardstock. Unlike the silver, which has more of a solid reflective finish, I love this white holographic. It has tiny sprinkling flecks that catches the light really beautifully. I think it would be perfect for snowy backgrounds or any of your winter themed projects. And last but certainly not the least, we have the light gray Savoy cotton cardstock. On camera, it might look white, but in person, it has the softest hint of gray, such a subtle, elegant shade that works beautifully as a neutral cardstock in any of your designs. And there you have it, all the absolutely gorgeous papers from box number 13 by Your Paper Insider. I'm honestly so in love with this collection. And what I really love about this box is that it takes you on a journey through color. It starts with those cool, calming blues and greens, perfect for serene winter landscapes, icy backgrounds, or soft, elegant card accents. Then it transitions beautifully into the warmer tones we had reds, corals, pumpkins, and yellows, bringing such a cozy, festive feeling that's ideal for fall and holiday theme projects. Now, every single sheet here is special in its own way. The holographic elements with the micro mosaic silver to the sparkling white confetti catch the light so beautifully and will add magical shimmer to any project. Then we had the textured and the embossed cardstocks, which gave so much depth and dimension, making your creations look truly professional and unique. And let's not forget the vellums, the Thai unuru paper, and the rich heavyweight cardstocks. All of these are so versatile, giving you endless possibilities to mix and match, layer, or use as stunning focal points for your cards. I can already imagine myself creating layered fall leaves, elegant winter backgrounds, shimmering holiday cards, or even bold statement pieces using these papers. Whether you're into die cutting, embossing, or just creating beautiful handmade cards, this box number 13 has something for every project and every style. If you're excited as I am about all these stunning papers, I highly encourage you to subscribe and check out box number 13 for yourself. It's such a thoughtfully curated collection, and I promise once you start creating with these papers, you will be inspired again and again. I will leave links down in the description box below for the subscription and all the other papers that you can find on the Your Paper Insider website. Please note that all of these links are affiliate links, which means that if you shop using one of my links, I'll get a small commission at no cost to you guys. And also, if you're not familiar, this is actually my first time as a design team member for Your Paper Insider, which makes this journey all the more exciting. You can hop over to my blog or my Instagram account to check out more details about this new design team. We have so many really talented designers, and I'd love it if you could follow each of their work. There's so much inspiration to be found there. Well, I definitely couldn't resist myself, and the minute I had these papers in hand, I had to start creating. I made a couple of cards right away. My first project is a holiday themed card using those gorgeous greens to create a wreath. You can see how I layered the green leaf vellum with the holiday green Lacebo cardstock. For my sentiment, I used that bright gold gloss glitter cardstock, and for those little flowers, I used the baby pink cardstock. I added some gemstones and that beautiful embossed background. I love this card. My second project is an absolute cute and fun Halloween project. I created these little ghosts using light gray Savoy cotton cardstock and then decorated their costumes using some fun papers from this box. And check out that red brushed metal cardstock on my little vampire. Isn't he absolutely gorgeous? I'll be showing you the making of these cards in my next video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for joining me today and taking this unboxing journey with me. I hope you're inspired as I am by all these beautiful papers. Until next time, stay safe.